A nation maintains its defense sector for strategic deterrence and, if compelled, to defeat the enemy. To make the defense sector stronger and more efficient, some significant transformations have been undertaken in this field. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has released an e-booklet titled 20 Reforms in 2020, highlighting the major reforms undertaken by the Ministry of Defense. Let's get to know more about them. In a landmark achievement, India received its first Chief of Defence Staff. To increase efficiency and coordination while reducing duplication, a new position was introduced that would usher greater jointness in the armed forces. General Bipin Rawat was appointed as the first Chief of Defence Staff, who also fulfilled the responsibilities of Secretary of Department of Military Affairs. Bringing Atmanirbharta to the defense sector, the armed forces witnessed an era of Make in India equipment. To promote self-reliance in the defense sector, a list of 101 defense items was notified in August 2020, while defense acquisition procedure was unveiled in September 2020. It is worth noting that the increased defense exports have led to tremendous growth in the defense sector. The value of total defense exports rose from rupees 1,941 crores in 2014 to 2015 to 9,116 crores in the year 2019 to 2020. Moreover, for the first time, India figured in the list of defense equipment exporting nations as the exports expanded to more than 84 countries. A lot of effort has been put to modernize and increase transparency in defense acquisition. It included the launch of a new defense acquisition procedure in September 2020 and the revision of a DRDO procurement manual in October 2020. Adding firepower to the arsenal of Indian Air Force, 5 Rafale fighter aircraft arrived in India in July 2020. Further, several organizations of the Ministry of Defense went digital for the first time. Directorate General Quality Assurance started online pre-delivery inspection in May 2020 to address security threats, while Armed Forces Tribunal began digital hearing for the first time in August last year. Moreover, to improve all-weather connectivity to the northern borders, the world's longest Atal Tunnel has been constructed over 10,000 feet at Rohtang on the Leh-Manali highway. In addition, the Ministry of Defense has also undertaken some historic decisions to increase the participation of women in the armed forces. 10 streams of the Indian Army were opened for giving permanent commission to short service commission women officers, while women pilots of the Indian Navy were operationalized for the first time. In light of the ongoing crisis, the Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces have mobilized resources to aid the civil administration in the fight against COVID-19. Apart from this, DRDO has also set up several hospitals to treat COVID patients across the states, passed on technology expertise to manufacture ventilators, oxygen plants, medicines, test kits, and PPE kits to the private sector for mass production. Besides providing aid to the countrymen, our armed forces have also extended a helping hand to the countries in distress. Indian Navy has mounted 8 relief missions during 2020 to 2021. Besides evacuating stranded Indians in Iran, Sri Lanka and Maldives under Vande Bharat mission, Indian naval ships provided COVID-19 medical relief, including medicines and doctors, to 5 countries. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.